everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to enable ask confirm before deleting emails on your Gmail app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable ask confirm before deleting emails, means before deleting any email you will get a confirmation message whether you want to delete this email, yes or no. If you want to enable this option, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Gmail app, tap on three horizontal line in top left side corner, scroll down, then tap on settings. After selecting settings, you can see your first option, general settings, tap on that, scroll down. In last you can see action confirmation. Under that you will find three options. Confirm before deleting. You have to just tick mark this option and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable ask confirm before deleting emails on your Gmail app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.